They say you're what you eat and what you have on your plate can affect your cortisol and stress levels. Chronic stress can increase cortisol, which is known as the stress hormone. High cortisol levels can weaken the immune system, cause weight gain, increase the risk of heart disease, and contribute to mental health issues like anxiety and depression. So, decreasing your cortisol levels can significantly impact your physical and mental health. Managing stress involves improving your work life balance, avoiding toxic people, getting better sleep, exercising, and connecting with family and friends. But changing what you eat can also affect your cortisol and stress levels. A study on how diet affects cortisol showed that people on a standard American diet of high fat, sugar, and carbs had much higher cortisol levels than people who ate more whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. High cortisol and chronic stress can lead to inflammation in the body, damaging various organs long term. An anti inflammatory diet can counteract the effects of cortisol. So, the right foods can offer a natural way to manage stress and anxiety without relying on medications which may have side effects. Think of these foods as the magic of a good night's sleep. They restore and rejuvenate you. Just like waking up refreshed and ready to tackle the day, these foods help you feel calm and recharged. So let's talk about 5 food groups that can help you decrease cortisol and stress. Number 1, foods rich in magnesium. Magnesium is vital for over 300 biochemical reactions, including muscle and nerve function. It also helps with blood glucose control and blood pressure regulation. Adding magnesium to your diet is like giving your body a tune-up. It fine-tunes your system, ensuring your systems function better. A deficiency of magnesium can contribute to depression, anxiety, and sleep difficulties. Studies also show that emotional and physical stress can drain the body of magnesium. When magnesium levels are low, blood levels of stress hormone cortisol are higher. In 1900, the average daily intake of magnesium was about 500 milligrams. Today, it is less than half this amount. The daily recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for magnesium is 420 milligrams for men and 320 milligrams for women. Magnesium-rich foods include pumpkin seeds, spinach, almonds, bananas, black beans, avocados, tofu, and quinoa. Number 2, foods high in omega-3 fatty acids. Studies show that omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil have been shown to decrease cortisol levels. 2 omega-3 fatty acids have the most potential to benefit you. These are EPA and DHA. According to a Harvard study, the most effective fish oil supplements appear to have about 60% EPA and 40% DHA. Salmon, mackerel, sea bass, oysters, sardines, and shrimp are good natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Other sources are seaweed, algae, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts, and beans. Number 3, foods high in vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood formation, DNA synthesis, energy production, and heart health. It supports the maintenance of nerve cells and enhances nerve function. Ensuring proper nerve function and reducing nerve damage helps the body respond more effectively to stress. B12 is vital in producing brain chemicals such as serotonin and dopamine, which are essential for mood regulation. Improved mood and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression can help lower stress levels and subsequently cortisol production. Elevated homocysteine levels are associated with increased stress and higher cortisol levels. Vitamins B12, B6, and folate help lower homocysteine levels, potentially reducing stress and cortisol. The adrenal glands produce cortisol in response to stress. Vitamin B12 supports overall adrenal health, helping the glands function properly and maintaining balanced hormone levels, including cortisol. Foods high in vitamin B12 include animal liver and kidneys, especially lamb liver, one of the richest sources of vitamin B12. Salmon, trout, tuna, and sardines are also excellent sources of B12. Other sources include lean cuts of beef, chicken, milk, cheese, eggs, yogurt, nutritional yeast, clams, oysters, and mussels. Number 4, prebiotics and probiotics. This promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Prebiotics are foods that promote the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Essentially, they are food for the probiotics, which are the live beneficial bacteria. Prebiotics are found in various plant foods such as garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and whole grains. Probiotics are found in fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and certain cheeses. They can also be obtained from good quality probiotic supplements. Number 5, foods high in vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 plays a role in the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which controls the production of cortisol. Chronic stress and high cortisol levels can increase inflammation in the body. Vitamin D3 has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and the related physical stress on the body. Vitamin D3 helps produce brain chemicals such as serotonin, improving mood and reducing stress and anxiety. Better mood regulation can help to lower cortisol levels. Adequate vitamin D3 levels are linked to better sleep quality. Poor sleep can elevate cortisol levels and increase stress. Vitamin D3 can help manage cortisol levels and reduce stress by promoting good sleep. Sunlight is the most natural way to get vitamin D3. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, egg yolk, beef liver, cod liver oil, and vitamin D supplements are also sources of vitamin D3. So picture your daily life as a vast desert where stress is the scorching sun that depletes your energy and resilience. These 5 food groups are like a refreshing oasis, providing nourishment and relief. In addition to these food groups, staying hydrated is another important way to decrease your cortisol levels and stress. Dehydration places stress on the body, and a study showed that dehydrated young soccer players had higher cortisol levels. So it is essential to drink enough water daily. Check out this next video to learn more about how your gut affects your mental health.